Hello, this is B-Boy Tech. Welcome to the second video of Cashmagnet. So we're going to go down to Cashmagnet here. And you can see that there's less apps that I have left to download. And no, I cannot just look up the name of this app in the Play Store, which I do have installed on this Fire tablet, and get it that way. So this is how many points we have right now. Gotta hold up for Team Viewer. Alright, so what you're going to want to go to is your browser, whichever it is. Right now I'm using Silk Browser. So I looked up, for all the other ones, I looked up the name of the app. That's all I had to look up. For this one, I had to look up the name of developer afterwards. To find it, I'm going to click on that on the first one. And this is in a different language right there, but it doesn't matter. We're going to press download, which is what that means. Don't ask me if I know for sure that's what it means, but I'm just guessing because that's what it says on the other version. So this is going to be a tips and tricks how to get points from installing apps that you can't normally install. So we're going to go over to downloads, and I'm going to show you how many of them I downloaded. Here's the proof that all the other ones that I had it to download, and I can even put this on the SD card, all these apps, and whenever, say, I got a new device for Cashmagnet, just throw them all on there. And then that way you don't have to wait for the internet to load. So, you're going to go and press install. That's simple. And we're going to press open, so then it just opens for a little bit. And it helps Cashmagnet to refresh. Yes, this is that simple. It works on a Fire tablet, yes. So, we're waiting for this to install. And once it says install, app installed, we're going to go ahead and press open. And it should normally open. We're going to go ahead and help it a little bit. Okay, it's opening. Good enough. We're going to close the app. We're going to go back to Cashmagnet. And it's going to reload. It's going to take a while on the reloading. And see that? Plus 20 points for installing. And pretty soon, the time should refresh. There we go, 22 hours and 51 minutes in that mode. And the level thing is not loading for some reason, but who cares about that? But look at that. I now have 22 hours and 51 minutes to start earning. Thank you guys for watching. And if we see over there, got all those installed now.